Hey there, my wonderful Misfitians, and it has been a quick minute before I made a video. I actually recorded a video last week and was thinking about posting it on Sunday, but then I decided to hold off on it because there were two major big appointments this particular week that I wanted to go to and get more information before I went out and kind of told you what's been going on. So the past couple of weeks have been really, I would say, chaotic. I'm feeling a lot better now, but I was really sick again, and it was just a huge mess, but I am feeling better. However, there are some things that have changed, and so this particular video is going to be a life update kind of video, and what's been going on and why I kind of took a step back. So let's jump into it. If you hear pitter pattering, Pepper is right here. I will say since I've gotten pregnant, excuse me. I will say since I've gotten pregnant, both of the dogs are very, very cuddly, very they don't want to leave my side whatsoever. Pepper is usually clingy, but not this clingy. And Teddy is the same way. So that's kind of been an interesting thing to watch. Their personalities kind of change as I've become more and more pregnant. So let's go ahead and get into updates. Around the end of December to the beginning of January, I was diagnosed with a bladder infection that was pretty bad. So they put me on an antibiotic, and I just continued to get slowly worse. And I kept telling them I don't feel like this antibiotic is working. But as most of you who have been around someone who's pregnant, or those of you who have been pregnant yourself, you know antibiotics are very limited when you have an infection. So they switched me to basically a different antibiotic. That one kind of didn't work either. And I just continued to get really, really bad to the point that it was getting a little bit scary. So anyway, that's part of the reason I finally got basically the last course done. And then after that, I just went down really, really fast. So they finally found an antibiotic that's safe for pregnancy, that works, for me. And so that has kind of been taken care of, and the bad side is I am continually on an antibiotic right now. So they don't want this to happen again. So to be preventative, I have to take this particular antibiotic that they've put me on every single day. For those of you who've been following me, you know my body doesn't process antibiotics well, basically because of colon issues. So I have not been feeling well with basically colon issues. And so it's been a little bit frustrating. I feel a lot better bladder-wise. That's all taken care of. But my colon is not feeling that great. So that was pretty much the major reason why I took a step back, because we were trying to figure out how to fix this and make it stop getting worse. As that was going on, we had a couple of other major baby appointments. One of them was actually yesterday, and during that appointment, they found some things that are of concern. So I'm not going to get into the details of them, but just know that there's a lot going on, and at the moment, everything is good with baby and me, but they are concerned about a couple of things. And so basically I was already high risk. I've kind of been upgraded a little bit more to high risk. And so I'm having to do more appointments, and they're having to monitor me a lot closer, as well as baby. So, it's been kind of stressful, to say the least. I will say I am very, very thankful for my doctors and my team. They're really, really good. I especially like this new doctor that they have assigned me to. She specializes basically in what I'm going through, and she has been incredibly helpful, and her team has been incredibly helpful, kind of walking us through all of this. At the moment, everything is fine. So I don't want anybody to worry, but it kind of has, I guess, put a reality check onto me and my husband where we're kind of like, hey, some things need to change. And the biggest thing that needs to change is I was really thinking, since it's second trimester, a lot of pregnant women get a lot of energy during this time. So I was planning on basically updating the Fox course. I wanted to do several paper crafts for that to go with the Fox course that I created back in October. I wanted to do the Christmas stocking, go ahead and put that up. I wanted to do a little New Year's hat, go ahead and put that up. I know it's late, but for next time. And I wanted to do a heart for Valentine's Day. I wanted to do something really cute for St. Patrick's and something cute for Easter. That's kind of been all put on hold because of what's been going on. So I am planning on doing all of that in the future. It's just kind of on hold right now until things settle down. Let's put it that way. So that was one thing that I was planning on doing. Another thing that I was planning on doing is in February, actually for Valentine's Day, which would have been this week. I was planning on doing a little kitty tutorial and putting that together for y'all. And that also has been postponed because of just everything that's been going on and life in general. I also had a little puppy dog that I wanted to do for St. Patrick's Day. So I had a lot of really cool ideas of what I wanted to do. Basically tutorial wise for y'all before baby came and before third trimester really hit. That all got derailed, to be perfectly honest. You probably can tell from the video. I'm frustrated. I'm really happy that everything is good with baby at the moment and everything seems good with me. But basically the doctor was like, you need to take it easy. You need to be very, very careful. Because there's just some concerns that they have. So, things on this channel will be changing once again. If I feel like posting might be a little bit chaotic, I don't want to push myself and basically put myself on a schedule. I still really want to post content. Art is kind of escape for me. But it might be something really simple and something really short, such as just doing a drawing or kind of just updating my thoughts on what's going on in a drawing, do maybe a time lapse. So yeah, things have changed a little bit, and I've just kind of had to put a lot of the brakes down on stuff. And I wanted to update y'all, but last week I made a video kind of explaining some of the stuff, but I didn't have all the information at the time. I have a lot more information. I feel, last week I was really, really down because I only had kind of half of the information. Now I feel like I have a lot more of the information and I feel a lot more comfortable with what, we have talked about. So knowledge is power in a lot of respects. And I'm just trying to listen to the doctors and also be preventative of things that could go wrong. and especially because he is still very, very small. And for those of you who didn't watch the tutorial, I did slip, and I slipped right now. We are having a boy, so gender reveal. But yeah, we're having a little boy, and I already love him so much. But he's definitely a little fighter, and he is just hanging in there and stuff like that. So we're just hoping that everything continues to go well and things progress in a very, very positive manner. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm starting to get emotional, but it's just been a hard couple of weeks, and that's kind of why I took a step back, because I didn't have all the information. Plus, I was feeling really sick. I do feel a lot better now, knowing more information. And I actually this afternoon have another appointment where I will learn more. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. I will see you in the future. I'm not going to say basically create a schedule for myself. Most of the time I will post on Sundays because that's my regular day. I'll try and post things on Instagram and even in the community tab, kind of letting you know when videos are coming. But just know there's a lot going on right now. And, so things might be a little bit chaotic for the next couple of months and in the foreseeable future. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. I hope you're having a wonderful week. This is the week of Valentine's Day, actually. So if you have someone to celebrate with, I hope you enjoyed it. If not, enjoy it yourself and go treat yourself, and have fun. My girlfriends and I always used to do that around Valentine's Day. We just go and have fun and treat ourselves to whatever we wanted. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. I will talk to you soon, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.